Alright, so in this video I'll be teaching you how you can easily generate a QR code using Python, which will contain the website or the URL that you desire to redirect to. Firstly, you will need PyQR code library or module to perform this task. So quickly fire up your terminal if you are on Linux or Mac OS, or you can do this step using CMD prompt if you are on Windows platform. So I'll just fire up my terminal and type pip install PyQR code. So it will take some time to install. As you can see, mine is already installed and it will take some 3 to 4 minutes on your machine if it's not installed. So I'll just close this. Now open up your favorite IDE. And I'll quickly create a new file called testqr.py and save it. So first I'll import PyQR code library, and then from PyQR code I'll import QR code module. Next, you'll need a URL that you wish to display through the QR code. For that, I'll create a variable called site and under double quotes I'll add the website address. For example, www.google.com. You can add any website address that you want. So now I'll create the QR code using URL equals PyQR code dot create, and inside the braces you'll need to provide this variable, or you have to pass the variable for which you want to create the QR code. Under this case, the variable is site. So I'll just pass it as a parameter, and then I'll have to save the generated QR code. For that, url.svg, and under double quotes you'll need to provide a name, say test QR code. I'll just QR code dot svg. You'll have to save the file as .svg, and you will have to provide a scale factor for that, which will be 8 or anything that you desire. And next up is you have to print success message, that is print QR code generated successfully. You can also skip this step if you wish to. Now I'll save the file and just compile it. So as you can see, QR code generated successfully, which means the QR code is successfully generated. And I'll just close the terminal, open up your file manager, and just search for the file name that you have saved, test QR code. Yeah, here you go. This is the QR code that we generated, and if you scan this QR code, you will be redirected to the website that you had provided. Thank you.